I'm delighted to be a part of this year's Oscars of Teaching, the Milken Educator Awards. Thank you to the Milken Family Foundation. For decades, it's been your mission to elevate the teaching profession. And for 35 years, you've been lifting up educators through these surprise awards. Most of all, congratulations to this year's exceptional Milken winners. The last 2 years taught us that in difficult times, heroes are revealed. Our nation's educators are among our greatest heroes. And heroes, like all of you being celebrated today, have stepped up for students in remarkable ways. I've always said that a well-prepared, well-compensated, well-supported, and diverse educator workforce is the foundation for student success. That's why organizations like Milken, which recognize and honor talented educators at every grade level in every area of the U.S., are so vital. Each winner today personifies excellence in education in your classrooms and your communities. You set the bar really high. You inspire leadership and motivate students to excel. You're our best. At a time when your students need it most, at a time when it still may feel hardest to do, you've found ways to give even more. We could all use a little more support on the road to recovery from the pandemic. That's why I'm proud the Biden-Harris administration is offering historic support and resources to educators and schools through the American Rescue Plan. These funds are having a big impact right now. They're helping overcome some of today's biggest challenges, including addressing educator shortages. We know we can't fully meet our responsibility to help our students succeed if we're short on great teachers like all of you. The good news is that hundreds of districts and higher ed institutions have used ARP funds to create and expand teacher residency programs and paraprofessional internships that can get even more outstanding educators in our classrooms. They're bringing in additional staff and volunteers, and they're tending to the wellness of educators already in the classroom. They're doing more to retain great teachers. As Oprah Winfrey recently said, as a teacher, you are creating positive ripples in the lives of your students that will continue to impact them in ways you will likely never really know. As an educator, I know this is true. The most powerful rewards of teaching aren't always immediate. Sometimes you experience them years after a student has left your classroom. When you hear from a student about how a particular lesson or a conversation fired up their passion for learning, or when they share that a piece of advice you gave them truly influenced their lives, or when they say that you just being there really mattered to them. Those are the moments that stick with you. Today is another one of those moments. So let's do all we can to recruit and retain more aspiring and more inspiring Milken winners. Let's do all we can to support those of you who've been giving your best in the classroom every day. And let's continue creating those endless positive ripples in the lives of our students. Thank you.